factoring quadratic trinomials by splitting the middle term. Example number 1. Factor 3x squared plus 17x plus 10. Step number 1. Multiply the coefficient of x squared by the last term. The coefficient of x squared is 3 and the last term is 10. So 3 times 10 is equal to 30. Next, factor the product into two factors. Use factor trees. 30 can be factored as 1 and 30. It can also be factored as 5 and 6. It can also be factored as 10 and 3. It can also be factored as 15 and 2. Next, find the sum and difference of its pair of factors. Choose the pair of factors whose sum or difference is equal to the coefficient of the middle term. 1 plus 30 is 31. 31 is different from 17. 30 minus 1 is 29. 29 is different from 17. 5 plus 6 is 11. 11 is different from 17. 6 minus 5 is 1. 1 is different from 17. 10 plus 3 is 13. 13 is different from 17. 10 minus 3 is 7. 7 is different from 17. 15 plus 2 is equal to 17. Therefore, in the example, choose the factors 15 and 2. Use this to split the middle term into 2. Splitting 17x, we have 15x and positive 2x. This is now equal to 3x squared plus 15x plus 2x plus 10. And then apply your knowledge of factoring by grouping. And close in parentheses the first two terms and then the last two terms. So we have now the quantity 3x squared plus 15x plus the quantity 2x plus 10. There is a common factor here, which is the 3x. Factor it out. There is a common factor here, which is 2. Factor it out. This is now equal to 3x times the quantity x plus 5 plus 2 times the quantity x plus 5. There is a common factor here. It is x plus 5. Factor out x plus 5. Divide 3x times the quantity x plus 5 by x plus 5. Cancel x plus 5 with x plus 5. We get 3x. Divide positive 2 times the quantity x plus 5 by x plus 5. Cancel x plus 5 with x plus 5. We get positive 2. So this is now times the quantity 3x plus 2. The answer is the quantity x plus 5 times the quantity 3x plus 2. Example number 2. 4x squared plus 5x minus 6. Multiply the coefficient of x squared by the last term. So 4 times negative 6 is negative 24. Factor negative 24 into two factors using factor trees. Negative 24 can be factored as 24 and negative 1. It can also be factored as 12 and negative 2. It can also be factored as 8 and negative 3. It can also be factored as 6 and negative 4. Choose the factors 8 and negative 3. Use these factors to split the middle term. We choose 8 and negative 3 because 8 plus negative 3 is equal to positive 5. We did not choose the 24 and negative 1 because the sum of 24 and negative 1 is not equal to 5, and the difference between 24 and negative 1 is not also equal to 5. The sum of 12 and negative 2 is not also equal to 5. The difference between 12 and negative 2 is not also equal to 5. The sum of 6 and negative 4 is not equal to 5. The difference between 6 and negative 4 is not also equal to 5. Splitting 5x, we have 8x and negative 3x. This is now equal to 4x squared plus 8x minus 3x minus 6. We enclose the first two terms in parentheses and then the last two terms also in parentheses. So we have the quantity 4x squared plus 8x minus the quantity 3x plus 6. Because this is preceded by a minus sign, this negative sign before 6 becomes positive. There is a common factor here. The common factor is the 4x. Factor it out. There is a common factor here. The common factor is 3. Factor it out. This is now equal to 4x times the quantity x plus 2 minus the 3 times the quantity x plus 2. There is a common factor. It is x plus 2. Factor out x plus 2. Divide 4x times the quantity x plus 2 by x plus 2. Cancel x plus 2 with the x plus 2, we get 4x. And then divide negative 3 times the quantity x plus 2 by x plus 2. Cancel x plus 2 with x plus 2, we get negative 3. So this is now times the quantity 4x minus 3. The answer is the quantity x plus 2 times the quantity 4x minus 3.